I put down to drain some baking soda. You need some distilled white vinegar and some hot water. So we'll put that down there and see if that doesn't do anything to this drain. Is throw some baking soda down the drain. Well, I don't know how much to tell you to put, but if you have like the standard box, maybe you put like 1/4 of the box in there. Just put that in there. Make sure the entire drain is coated with baking soda. I mean, we might almost be putting like half the box here, but just put as much as you can. The vinegar in there. And we hope that this works and this stuff. We'll see. Basically put an entire bottle. I mean, let me see how many liters this is. This is a 32 fluid ounce of vinegar, and we just put some hot water in there, and more hot water. We just boiled this hot water on the stove, so let's see if it works. See, after we put all that in there is no water filling up in the sink. Let's see. The water is going down immediately, and that's exactly what we wanted. And it's clean. So I hope this helps.